If the meeting happens at the time when women will not be available, ensure you make the meeting happen when women will be available. But sometimes it's not training that you need to do. Sometimes it's just provide motivation.
Today we have been able to look at the gender inclusive and social inclusion approach. We've been able to look at how to use infographics to present data to low literate citizenry, and also talking about governance pathways. And for me, this is a great privilege, a great opportunity. I'm really grateful to the team. I'm able to share a lot of skills, a lot of knowledge that we think will be very valuable to the work we do. The composition of our team comprises people who work out on the field. They work with the communities, they work with parents, they work with teachers, they work with school heads. And some of the things that have been shared today, I think will go a long way in accelerating the change that we want. And we also realize that we can use a lot of infographics to engage the community to understand what we do. And one example that we're able to cite out is creating the infographics that parents need to understand, or communities need to understand, a prerequisite for schools to be approved. For example, if we explain to them, because most of the time they are after us to transform these communities into government-assisted schools. But sometimes we take pains to explain to them the things that are needed and why they are needed for a school to be approved. This could be presented in pictures to them, for them to see the amenities or the requirements that we want to see in the school for it to be approved. For example, we can draw a nice school with a water well, with a playing field, with toilet facilities, and tell them, just show them that for a school to be approved, it's got to be like this. And if we want to ensure that we create a universal access for all our children, which is one of the cardinal objectives of the Full Quality School Education Program, we have to ensure that all girls and boys are targeted and that they are given the same opportunities to learn. We need to demystify, we need to deconstruct the stereotype, ideas that tradition, that religion, and that cultures have created about women. And we think this can go a long way in enhancing our work. In pursuance of the 4 guiding principles that the education sector, the basic education sector is now built on, which is universal access, radical inclusion, quality teaching and learning, and comprehensive safety of our children.